This is the basic cylinder lathe that we've been building since the 80s. Most of them were built for Parker Hannifin, and then we branched out into other people. The basic design is to be able to do a cylinder without removing it, doing both ends, and if you need, in some cases, drilling holes or whatever, that's also capable. The original one was only built to do a cylinder, had no intention of ever milling or with them, but although we have done that since. The way it's set up is you've got a expanding mandrel on the headstock, and on the tailstock you've got a live spindle with an expanding mandrel on the tailstock. The live spindle gives you the ability to put the cylinder in and put the mandrels into both ends. The mandrels are set, they're long enough to where there's room between the collet and the mandrel and the face of the chuck, so that you can put a tool in between the face of the chuck and the cylinder and thread on the inside of the cylinder, or turn on the inside. Turn the ends and turn on that. It's set up also, we've set the controls up so that you can put your cylinder program. So if you've got it was designed to do just-in-time machining. So if you've got 5 or 6 4-inch cylinders and then 10 or 15 or 20 bigger ones and so on, you just select that program and you go to the next, and then you go that way. So basically, you put the cylinder in. The turret has a custom-made disc that would allow you to put tools on both sides of the disc, so that it gives us the ability to go in between the face of the cylinder and the face of the chuck and do the threading, and then the rapid back to the other side to do both ends, and then if you need to do something in between, you can do that as well. This has got a Fanuc on it. We built a lot of them with other controls. This happened to have a Fanuc on it, and the Fanuc control you can put the programs in that you want, and then you can pull up that program for that application. It'll tell you where the tailstock goes. The tailstock it's motor driven, so that it'll give you the ability to position it. It has an LED display for positioning, and then you can drive it back for longer cylinders, forward for other ones. This is locked down right now, but the cylinder, this will give you, the tailstock spindle has enough travel to where you can bring it back, put the cylinder in, forward, and lock it in place. This is locked because it was set up to move. The turret, we'll just stop it for a second and we'll go.
Okay.